Working on a shoot. By Top Modeling Jobs. www.topmodelingjobs.com. 1. Pay attention to your photographer. A very good photographer should offer reviews and perhaps be actually quite frank, telling you what precisely to do so they can create the snapshot they wish. Be helpful and gracious and stylish. Do refuse yourself to get tense, or else you might tense up and appear stiff. Loosen up into each pose and connect with the camera. Take into account the type of shoot you are doing. Regardless of it is fashion modeling, you will be asked to take on these angular, avant-garde poses that look a small strange and forced. If it is commercial modeling, you might want to appear casual and each day. Think a Jean Paul Gaultier ad versus an ad intended for Aveeno. 2. Breathe. Usually when we focus, or when we are tense, we slow or speed up our inhalation significantly. You may perhaps even locate yourself possessing your holding for a shot. Remain conscious of your breathing, keep it regular and relaxed. This step is very important. Your breathing can truly decide on your mood, as a result identifying your poses. Whether you breathe fairly quickly, that cues your body that you are available meant for fight or flight. 3. Do not worry your look. Different designers have very absurd visions that may leave you thinking a thing on the lines of, "I look like Lucille Ball just rolled out of bed and have attacked by a reindeer." Very well, that is what they were going for obviously, so you have no choice on the other hand to rock it. Place it apart. You are still you. You have still got it. 4. Visualize a motivation or feeling. This may assist you grab the passion that you need intended for a shot. If the photographer is looking for a melancholic result, for example, visualize a melancholic episode from your life. You might find that you are a lot better equipped to root your inner melancholia that way. Regardless, visiting your own past hits a little bit too close to home. Think of the plot of an applicable movie and put yourself inside the actress' shoes. The consideration process will need to take over your face and body, creating an intensity meant for the photography. 5. Tips. Make sure you have attitude. Staying a model is pretty much all about continuing to keep your head up and exuding self-confidence. Show feelings in your entire face, specifically your eyes. Whilst you are whiling away the hours rotating angles, ask the photographer to put on some very good music. It may help you think energized and get into it. 6. Warnings. Make sure that none of your limbs are pointing in a straight line at the camera. The point of view makes that limb look unbalanced. Think of your bones as stick figure lines. None of these lines should previously point right toward the lens of the camera. Do not end up being too vain. It certainly is not considered a good quality by anyone. Join our 100% free modeling mini course. www.topmodelingjobs.com